And today we're going to explain the SuperVine fire alarm system. Now, we're looking at the SuperVine control panel. And we have 3 buttons. A drill button, a silence button, and a reset button. And if we look on the left, we have our SuperVine LED for a control panel. And we have 2 LEDs, which means there's a fire alarm LED and an AC power LED. Sorry. Now, one thing I didn't add is a silence LED. Yeah, I couldn't make up space for that. Okay. Right here, we have our horn strobe or horn light. And we have inside the fire alarm control panel door, which we will get into later. Right here we have a SuperVine fire alarm pull station, which is this one is zone 1. And we got out the fire alarm control panel door. Okay, let's close that. And we have a zone 2 pull station. And we have this another horn light. Okay, now we're ready to get inside the fire alarm control panel door. Now, since we'll get into that fire alarm control panel, let's get into it. Since you'll see the new features. Okay, we have our reset module with 3 command blocks. 4. That's connected to redstone. And we have here 7 command blocks that's connected as an alarm. And we got our horn tempo and our horn 2 tempo and our alarm displayer. Now, we're ready to set off the alarm. Now, we'll go into this alarm pull station. Now, I'll set it off with my tablet. Okay, let's do it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, the strobe's flashing. Now, if we get out here and look at this one's also flashing, but this one's all light, so it's not flashing. And also, for some reason, it's not even coming in audio. I don't know why, but this might be a glitch. You guys to know. Okay, I backed up a little bit, and now it's now giving out the sound. Now, time to go reset the pull station. Okay, let's silence that. Okay, now, we'll do another pull station, which is right here. We'll pull down the zone 2 alarm pull station. Okay, let's silence it. And then, let's do a drill button after we reset this. I double click that. Now we'll do the drill. Now silence. Now reset. Okay, this is enough for you guys to know. So, thanks for watching this SuperVine fire alarm system. And thanks for watching.